Hello, welcome to another TrunSHOP video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a division with furniture like this one. Okay, so first thing that we're going to do is start a new project. So always here on File, okay, a new project. Then we have our default room. Okay, so um, we come here on empty cabinets. Okay, and we're going to put now cabinets facing left and right, but we always have to remember those dimensions. They always consider the front facing cabinets. So when we put left, we're going to have the width will be the depth and the depth will be the width. Okay, so I have a depth, right, of 300 and the width of 1000. The height is 900. Okay, and then we place it, and it's like that. Okay, I'm just going to put here 1500. Okay, and then right facing, the same dimensions. Okay, and then we place it here. Okay, and then here 1800, like this. We can remove the back panel of both cabinets. So removing the back panel here and removing the back panel of this one, like this. So it's like you can see to the other side. Okay, and we're going to put shelf on each one of the cabinets. So one here and one here. Okay, and double doors on each of the cabinets. Double door here and double door here. Okay, so now we have our cabinets, the bottom cabinets. Now let's put one on top. So this one on top will have a width of 600, remembering that it's actually the depth of this cabinet. The depth will be the same, and the height will be 1400. Can we drive and drop it here? We can remove the baseboard. Can also remove the back panel. So we have something like this. Okay, then let's place it on the correct place. Here 900. Oh, I'm sorry. The height is actually, yes, it's 1600. Okay, so we have something like this. We're going to put 3 shelves on this. Okay, and now we can start adjusting on this this panel, this side panel. We are going to come here. Okay, and this distance left and distance right, we're going to put 200 here and 200 here. So we have 200 left, like this. Okay, and now let's start adjusting those areas. So we're going to click here on this panel, and then we're going to put an overhang. So overhang left and right of 20. Okay, like this. And also here on the depth, we're going to put our overhang front. It's the front of our drawing. Okay, of 20. Oh, 25 in this case, because it's the thickness of the material. Like this. And we're going to adjust here, this one. We're also going to put an overhang of 25 on the front, so it comes all the way here. And this one, the back, we're also going to adjust. So we're going to put an overhang left of 20, an overhang right of 20, so it comes all the way there. Okay, also here, so now that I saw this, we can also adjust this one. So overhang left 20, overhang right 20. Now I think it's complete. Let's see. Yes, it's complete. So if you have any questions about this design, please let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.